How to download and install Binance app on your device. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install Binance app on your device. For this, you want to open the Play Store app if you are on your Android device. If you are on iPhone, you want to open App Store. Then tap on the search bar and here you want to type for Binance. Out of the search results, this is the application you want to select. Now go ahead and tap on the install button. If you want more details on this app, tap on about this app option. Here it says that with Binance, you will be able to access the largest cryptocurrency exchange and Web3 wallet anytime, anywhere. You will be able to securely buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Notcoin, and much more with low trading fees. Once the application has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. After the installation has been completed, tap on the Open option, log into your account, and start using the Binance app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.